All right, we are jumping right in today. We're actually pushing our usual schedule aside because this is a security briefing that just can't wait. Seriously, if you or anyone on your team uses an iPhone for work, you're going to want to listen up for the next few minutes. This is important. And let me be perfectly clear, right from the get-go, this is not your typical notification. This is a full-blown urgent security alert, and it needs your immediate attention. So what's all the fuss about? Well, we're getting right to the heart of it. Apple just rolled out a software update, but this isn't about new emojis or cool features. Nope. This is an emergency fix for a really nasty security problem. What we're dealing with here is something called a zero-day flaw, and you really need to know what that means. Basically, the bad guys found a security hole before Apple did. That means they've had a secret backdoor, a head start to use this flaw, and that's what makes the situation so incredibly dangerous. Look, every security expert out there is saying the same thing. This isn't one of those updates you can just snooze and forget about. As our source material puts it, this update is not optional. It is absolutely essential. Your data security really depends on it. And you might be thinking this is just about your personal phone, right? Wrong. The moment a work device is involved, we're talking about a risk to your entire company. This is a business issue, plain and simple. Let me put it another way. Imagine a burglar found a key that opens your office door before you even knew the lock was broken. That's a zero-day flaw. It lets attackers just walk right in, install spyware, and get total control of a device before you even have a chance to react. So who's in their crosshairs? Well, think about it. Who has the keys to the kingdom in your company? We're talking about owners, top execs, your finance people, anyone with access to company strategy, bank accounts, or sensitive data. If you're on that list, you are a prime target. And the damage they can do? It's the stuff of nightmares. We're talking massive data breaches, hijacking your email, stealing logins, committing financial fraud, or even selling your company's secrets to a competitor. Any one of those things could be devastating. And here's the bottom line, the thing you have to remember. Your company's security is only as strong as its weakest link. It just takes one person, one single unupdated phone to open the floodgates to your entire network. Okay, so that's the problem. It's a big one. But the good news? There's a clear, simple fix. So let's talk about the action plan to get that door locked right now. This is what you need to do, and not just you, everyone in your company. So grab your iPhone, go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If you see an update waiting, install it. Don't wait. And hey, while you're in there, flip on automatic updates. It's a lifesaver for future threats, just like this one. Now, updating your own phone is awesome. It's a fantastic first step. But if you're a business leader, you have to think bigger, right? What about the other 10, 50, or maybe hundreds of company iPhones out there? That needs a real strategy. You can't just send out a memo and hope for the best. Come on, we all know hope is not a security strategy. To really protect your organization, you need an actual system to manage and enforce these updates across every single company device. And you know, this is exactly where a professional service, like what TechPio offers, becomes a game changer. They can manage all those mobile devices, enforce the updates so you know they actually get done, and use what's called MDM, or mobile device management, to keep your business data safe no matter where your team is working from. So if you're running a business and this alert has you a little uneasy, this is your next move. Don't wait for something bad to happen. Be proactive. Reaching out to a team like TechPio is how you get ahead of these threats and secure your company's mobile fleet. So I'll just leave you with this question. After everything we've talked about, just pause for a second and really ask yourself, is your business truly secure? Do you know for a fact that every single company phone is patched and safe right this minute? If there's even a little bit of doubt, you know what you need to do. Thanks for listening.